Bear Creek 308 upper. It is a side charger, which is way cool. Now this 308 has the upgraded 416R stainless barrel, and up top we've got a Discovery optic. We were ringing some steel at 317, 465, and 505. Let's see if we can go a little bit further. Check out this Sunway photo tripod, just getting low. All right, well let's see how good of a group we can print here. Okay. Somewhere right in there. So we need to come up. And we need to go right. All right, let's see how that does. Okay, 2 touching and then 1 like maybe an inch away. All right, so we need to set our 0 to right there. Okay, best I can tell, we're gonna be holding 2 mil at 500 yards. 2 mil. Okay, parallax, zoomies. Oh, that's way out there. Okay, we're ready. First round impact. Let's go. Holy cow. I thought we were dialed, but you never know. How come 308's so easy? Fantastic, that's awesome. Let's see if we can snipe this pumpkin. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, we're out of ammo. All right, man. This Bear Creek 308 is quite accurate and has been super consistent and reliable to feed. All right, I'll see you back at the workbench.